Today we address where the account balances come from that are reported on your credit reports. Your creditor's account balance is reported the day after your statement closing date each month. So it's the same day every month. And what you need to know is the day after that statement closing date, whatever the balance is, that's what gets reported to the credit bureaus for that billing period. It may take a couple weeks for it to show up on your credit reports, but that's where the number comes from. Okay, there's a second rule that goes with this, and that is that if that balance is over 30% of your credit limit, it will negatively affect your score. The closer you get to maxing it out, the worse it is. I've seen an 85-point improvement taking credit score, or taking a credit balance from 93% down to 25% in 1 month. For this and more information about the best ways to improve your credit scores, please give us a call at 512-697-9784 and get yourself started on one of our programs. Look forward to hearing from you. Make it a great day.